Android chat app. The project of chat messenger application is used for Android user to communicate through internet and have a chat, such as Line, WhatsApp, BlackBerry Messenger and Yahoo Messenger. The existing method have a language problem navigation process not much helpful for disabled persons. Our proposed method advantages are video calling, texting, image sharing. User can interact with other user by using different languages who are unable to communicate orally and are unable to hear. The modules are input, system requirement analysis, system planning, output, analysis system, design, testing. Some screenshots from our project. This application is built to save space storage capacity and lighten your processor for running application that mentioned are implemented in the internal server. This application also shows the good performance in CPU, RAM, GPU and bandwidth usage. Thank you.